In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create your Telegram account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to open the Telegram app. Once you're there, you simply choose your country. So I'm from Cameroon. After which you insert your telephone number. After that, you click on next. Yes, this is the correct number. After that, Telegram is going to send you an activation code. Once you receive the code, you simply need to insert the code. After that, you simply need to insert your first name. So I'll put Mike. After that, I'll just put tech. After that, I'll click on what next. So guys, we are just on creating our Telegram account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.